right now, but I'm actually suspended over the first floor of the ultimate family townhouse on Icon of the Seas. Now this place is pretty extraordinary, and I guarantee your clients have never experienced anything like this, so we're gonna take you on a tour of it. So let's get this tour started, and I'm gonna slide down to the first floor. Here we are on the first floor. We're in the living room, and it's just a nice area to have. You've got this massive big screen TV, tons of space, comfortable accommodations, a place where you can sit as the family, relax, hang out, and have a really good time here in the living room.
As you can see, floor-to-ceiling windows for this first and second floor townhouse family suite. Wraparound balcony, which we'll get out there in a little bit. And you can see just all the fun pillows. So comfortable couches.
Lots of color. I love the pops of color. They really want to make it fun and really make it, because it is that family suite, that it's comfortable for the children to be in here as well. Not only also have the whimsy for the adults. You sit on a pizza, sit on a shark.
Exactly.
So we walk through, we're going back to kind of like the dining room, the little
family theater almost, kind of set up like this.
You've got your 4 seats and a little cubby.
Wet bar.
Snow cone maker.
Yeah, I mean, you name it, you pretty much have it.
Yep. But I love this. Look at this. How cute is this? You can sit in here, watch your movies.
Exactly.
Take a nap. I always wanted one of these in my house. And I just noticed something really, really cool. You've got these like interactive, almost like gaming tables. They're not on right now, but they have little power buttons.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to, if you double tap them to turn on, because I tried to turn them on before. Is that what works? Oh yeah, there we go. Awesome. So I mean, there really is no shortage of activities to really just keep you having fun and keep you busy all day long. Whack-a-mole, look at this.
Also, I've noticed there's a Lego wall. So the kids can come and build their Legos right on the wall. Can't go wrong with Legos.
Absolutely not.
And then this is pretty cool for the technology that's in it. You've got this over here where you can set it to TV or karaoke, so you could actually have your own karaoke session in this room as well, on top of watching it like a theater.
Yeah, there really is no stone unturned with details of just really making sure that it's all inclusive for everyone in the family to have fun and really enjoy their vacation outside of just a typical entertainment.
And here's another little cubby here that looks out over the ocean. Complete with pillows. I can just see like kids falling asleep all over this place, just tucked in these little fun nooks and crannies.
Yeah, look at this. I go to sleep over here tonight. Like,
I know, right? I would sleep in there.
I mean, you might get woken up by the beautiful sunrise, but that's okay.
I'd be fine.
Why don't we go outside to the balcony real quick, and then we will go upstairs.
Open it.
All right. So this is aft on the ship. And you can see where it looks over, which will end where it goes to, but out there to Surfside. And as you can see, it's just a huge wraparound balcony.
Just keeps going.
See Jackie, wave high.
Look how far it goes. Oh,
and then there's the jacuzzi. So I didn't take the top fully off because it is windy and I don't know where exactly it goes. But was at least 6-8 person jacuzzi.
Yeah.
It would be really kind of pushing it. Four.
Definitely.
4. Let's do that. 4 to 6. But such an awesome view to have your own hot tub right out on the balcony.
Very secluded. Nice little sitting area.
right. So going upstairs, this is really cool. So check this out. So there's the piano, which is, yeah, as we're walking, which is so cool.
It's so fun.
And then up over here, that is where Elizabeth was suspended before.
The suspended net that's over the first floor. It's directly in front of the slide that I went
Slide,
down.
which is right here.
So fun. Even like as an adult, this makes you feel like a kid at heart.
And we'll start from the kids area, kids room.
I'm actually quite surprised at how much sleeping area there is in here. And I noticed that each of these bunk beds are Murphy beds, so they actually will fold away. So if you're not using them, you can fold them away.
It's cool. They have, you know, here's some Snow White and Cinderella sheets. Couch over here.
You got your galaxies.
Galaxies. It's so cool.
You got your Lego hooks. So for your kiddos, they can hang their coats and things on Legos.
Bathroom
They get their
there.
own bathroom. So this is actually a connecting door to the master bedroom, but what's so fun about it for the kids is that if they want, there's like a little doggy door that they can just push open and they can crawl into mom and dad's room instead of having to open the full door. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Absolutely.
You can cross in. It's definitely not ready.
All right, we'll look at the bathroom. Full-size shower, rain head, 2 handhelds.
Extraordinary shower.
Yes.
Heated towel rack, which let me tell you, I experienced this for the first time this past year. I love me a heated towel rack.
Oversized sinks, and then of course your bathroom. Here's the bedroom here. So you can see it has your own private balcony as well. So 2 balconies, one wraparound, and then one on the second floor outside the master, which is nice to have your own.
You get straight back off of the aft of the ship, so you get a great view wherever you're sailing. And then something that's really good that Royal is doing on this, Ryan, if you want to turn around, we have USB and USB-C ports in every room now, and I've noticed they're on every nightstand, so both sides of the bed have access to both of the types of ports to charge your phones or whatever you have. And I know that's becoming such a convenience because we're all used to doing that now.
Absolutely. And then here, check out closet with a humongous safe.
That's very
I think one of the biggest safes I've ever seen on a cruise ship. It's fitting for the world's largest, right?
Yes. And then we come out of master, and you're back out with a slide and overlooking the downstairs. We saved the best for last, but it's actually the very start of the townhouse, and that's the entrance. So right when you walk into the townhouse, this is what you're gonna see. These beautiful, colorful chairs, but what's pretty cool about it in general is that you have direct access to Surfside. Now, Surfside is kind of like the kiddie zone on board, and you have your own private staircase that goes right down there. So I'm gonna go through here.
Switch places.
You can see we're gonna go down. You get down here. You've got your own area as well down here with chairs. You've got your ping pong table, another cute little cubby. I'm gonna go see what's over here actually. And you've got your 2 entrances to go directly to Surfside.
Wow.
So you've got one entrance here, and then your second is right here. And it is with a key lock,
So you can see when your clients have this, they are the only ones that will have access. Private townhouse, suite guest only.
Yeah, it's really cool because everything is literally right here. Extra little recreation zone, we'll call it.
Yes.
And another bar right here. Yeah.
So there you have it. That's their tour of the ultimate family townhouse on Icon of the Seas. Show this to your clients because their minds are going to be blown.